Hello, I'm Carlos with NYA Staffing. Some of our clients have asked us what to know before hiring staff in Miami. Today, I'm going to explain exactly that. Organizing an event can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it also requires careful planning and preparation. Whether you are organizing a small conference or a large-scale concert, there are a number of important factors that you should consider before launching your event. Understanding these factors can help you ensure that your event is a success and that you're able to meet your goals and objectives. In this context, it's crucial to be aware of the various aspects that go into planning and executing an event, such as the type and size of the event, the experience and skills of the staff, the availability of resources, and the communication and coordination needed among the different parties involved. By taking these factors into account and planning accordingly, you can set yourself for a successful event and create positive experience for every guest. Herein, I will explain the different characteristics and factors that are involved in the process of organizing an event. Event type and size. The first thing to consider is the type and size of the event, whether it's a small conference or a large-scale concert. Different events require different type of numbers of staff. It is important to evaluate the specific needs of these events to ensure the right staff is hired for the job. Experience and skills. The event staff should have the necessary experience and skills to perform their duties effectively. This includes things like customer service, crowd management, security, technical support, and other relevant skills. Availability. Ensure that the staff you are hiring are available for the duration of the event. It is also important to confirm their availability for any necessary training sessions or pre-event meetings. Training and certification. Depending on the event, it may be necessary to provide training and certification to the staff. For example, if the event involves serving alcohol, the staff should be certified in alcohol service. Dress code. It is important to establish a dress code for the staff that is appropriate for the event and reflects the company's brand and image. Communication. Clear communication between the company and the event staff is crucial to ensure that everyone is on the same page. This includes providing detailed instructions and guidelines for the event, as well as establishing lines of communication for any issues or concerns that may arise. To conclude, what to know about hiring event staffing services in Miami. Hiring the right event staff is a critical aspect of organizing a successful event in Miami. By considering factors such as the type and size of the event, the experience and skills of the staff, the availability of resources, companies can ensure that they hire the right staff for the job and provide the positive experience for all the attendees. Clear communication and coordination with the event staff is also key to ensuring that everyone is on the same page and that any issues or concerns are addressed promptly. By taking these steps and planning ahead, companies can help to ensure that their events run smoothly and are memorable and enjoyable for all involved. Thank you for watching. This was Carlos with NYA Staffing. See you in the next video.